With this new Insta360 backpack mount, you can easily get hands-free drone style follow shots with your 360 camera. So let's get straight to it and take a look. The first thing you notice about this mount is how solid it is. It attaches easily to your backpack with these 4 adjustable straps that velcro to the top and bottom of your backpack shoulder straps. And the metal base plate has 2 slots on each corner, so you can change the angle of the mounting straps as well. And there's also a waist strap to hold everything tightly in place. The mount comes with an 11-inch lightweight carbon fibre extension rod which you attach to your camera. And the well thought out feature of this rod is this little collar here, because it means you can position the camera stitch line in the exact rotation that you want it, and it also helps keep the camera firmly attached to the rod as well. The rod then attaches to a 1/4 inch camera mount on top of this 4-inch solid metal arm which is part of the backpack mount. And this small arm is really well designed, and it's similar to the Insta360 handlebar mounts and the RAM mounts. So you have 2 pieces of solid metal either side that clamp together as you tighten it up onto a ball mount. And once tightened, this will not come loose. It's really solid. And you can change the angle of the arm to take the camera closer or further away from the body. For a more effective follow shot, you want to angle the arm back as far as possible, giving you more distance between you and the camera. And also, by angling it backwards, this makes the shot a lot less toppy, so you're not just looking straight down onto your head. To get an even higher shot, you can use a regular selfie stick instead of the extension arm, or a combination of the two. But remember, the longer the length of the selfie stick and the further out you go, the more vulnerable the camera is when you take the backpack on and off, and also the more bounce you'll get in your shot. So you need to find a compromised length that gets you the best shot and keeps your camera safe. I found that the extension rod by itself does give you enough distance most of the time to get you some really nice follow shots, but it is good to have the option of adding a selfie stick, and you should just experiment. On a bike, the mount works particularly well, especially compared to the bike back bar mount which had a lot of bounce. The short extension rod is long enough on a bike that you'll still create that third person follow shot, and because it's shorter and the mount itself is anchored in several positions, there's a lot less movement which gives you some really smooth shots. And the angle of the ball head on top of the arm can also be adjusted, so you can position the camera out to one side if you wanted to as well. A top tip when using a mount like this when your camera is out of reach is to set the camera auto power down to never, and this way you'll always be able to start recording whenever you want to. Alternatively, you can set the camera to Bluetooth wake up, so if the camera does power down, you can wake it up with a Bluetooth remote control or your phone. And to start recording with your camera, you can use the phone, the Insta360 remote control, an Apple Watch, or even voice activation. This backpack mount is an excellent alternative to the original Insta360 back bar mount, which, as well as suffering from a lot of bounce, you also felt stupid wearing it. This new backpack mount is a lot more convenient to wear and a lot more convenient to carry around, and is perfect for walking or biking. And if you want to discover more biking mounts, you'll want to watch this video next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.